Hi, Dr. Jenny Sue here. I want to share with you today the strategy See, Think, Wonder and how you can use it in a virtual setting. See, Think, Wonder is a thinking routine that stimulates curiosity and inquiry through careful observations. So let me show you how you use it in a virtual environment. First thing you'll need to do is find a really engaging picture, or as you'll see in this video, create your own video that the students will watch and use as they go through the strategy. The next thing you'll need to create is a graphic organizer just like this that asks the students what they see, what they think, and then what they wonder. And so you're going to ask the students, what do you see? What do you think about what you're looking at? And what does the picture or the video that you're looking at make you wonder? So here's an example. I have this video of an object, and I would ask the students, what do you see? I would expect students would tell me the color is yellow. I see white specks on the object. It looks like there's a more concentrated piece of yellow. And then I would ask them, well, what do you think about this object? Well, I would expect students to say they think it's kind of weird. And I would expect them to say that they don't really know what's going on with the object. Now I would ask the students, what do they wonder about as they see this object being pierced by a pair of scissors? And so now what do they wonder about as they're looking at the inside of this object and the different pieces that they see me actually manipulating? So for instance, that object that has the part of it that has the yellow and the clear, what does that make them wonder about? See, Think, Wonder is a versatile instructional strategy that can work in the classroom or, as hopefully you've seen from this video, in the online setting as well. All you need to do is find a really engaging picture that the students can use, or you can create your own videos as I did. Again, you just want the students to go through and list what did they see when they looked at the video, and then what did they think about as they were watching the video, and then what were their questions, what were their wonderings as they were watching the videos. The more interesting you can make the video, the better, because it's just going to elicit more curiosity from your students. Thanks for joining me today on this quick instructional strategy moment.